So what if we draw this doweled washer in front of us? So assuming that the dimensions are in millimeters, so what we do is we go on new day, we say standard millimeter, and we will create. So in here I'm gonna start with my circles. So my first circle is for my outer diameter. So that is my outer diameter. That is the internal one. Okay, and this one is for the PCD of my holes to make it doweled. Okay, so once I have those ones in place, I'm gonna start with the dimensions. So that one they need to be 100 millimeters. So that needs to be 100 millimeter. Okay, and this one here need to be 74 millimeters. So that need to be 74 millimeters. And the PCD need to be 86 millimeters. So that need to be 86 millimeters. So once I have those ones in place, I come here, I draw this line here. This line is just for guidance. You know why soon. I go escape, and then I come in here, I choose a rectangle. There is my rectangle. And those spots here need to be 7 millimeters. So that needs to be 7 millimeters. And I need to make sure that from there up to there, that one is 3.5 millimeters. So 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so once that's done, I take this line here, they by the center. Okay, so I need to have that one, I need to have it 30. So that needs to be 30 millimeter. Okay, so that needs to be 30 millimeter. Okay, so once that done, what I'm gonna do is I come on trim day. So I trim this spot, I trim that one, I trim this one, that, and that. Okay, so I don't need this one anymore, so I can take it out. Delete. Then I come here, I need to make sure that the holes have the same space between them. So since I have 14 holes, I'm gonna choose a polygon with 14 sides. So I go there, I make sure that my polygon touches the PCD. Okay, the circle that was supposed to be for the PCD. And then I click on the circle since I don't need it anymore, and then I say delete, I don't need it anymore. So that's done. I go on 3D model. I choose extrude. So now I need to extrude the spots. So depending of the use, so that one need to be extruded by 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters is fine. Okay, let's go to 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeter. I say okay. Once that's done, I turn it around. I come here. I say sketch. I right click on sketch. Okay. Come on. Not you. So sketch, I right click on it. I say visibility on. Once the visibility is on, I come here. Check now. I can choose on that point there. Then I right click. I right click on it. Okay. Then I go on hole. Since I need to have 14 holes, so I need to have a hole there. I select there, I select that one, I select this one, I select that one, I select this. Okay, hold the point, so that one as well. Okay, I select this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Then I give dimensions, so I need to have that one to be at 5 millimeters. So that needs to be at 5 millimeters. And this does not matter because it's how far it goes in the material. So I can put 10 millimeters since I want the hole to go through. Then I turn it around. Is this okay? So once that is okay, I come here, I say okay. Okay, so then what I need to do next, I need to remove the visibility. Visibility was on, so now it needs to go off. I right click there again. Okay, I say visibility off. So this is how your doweled washer looks like. So if you want, you can give it a material, right? You give it a material. I can go on steel alloy. Where's steel alloy there? Steel alloy. Okay. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I don't want you to miss what's gonna happen in the next video. So take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Don't forget to touch the bell. Bye.